Can you tell us a little bit about what healing touch is?
Healing touch was taught by nurses who had their PhDs and who were instructors, and it's just learning how to work with the energy and bring the energy up. You clear the chakras, the energy centers, but you just bring that up so they can do their own healing. Mm-hmm. It's a touch thing. You don't have to put your hands on it. You can do it off the body, mm-hmm. but you can transmit it, and you just concentrate on what you're doing. Energy goes where the thought goes.
Right. Right.
And so if you wanted someone to feel comfortable, all you have to do is just, touch a couple places and bring that energy up, and then they could relax. Mm-hmm. They know the difference. I don't know what it is with patients and things, when you touch. If you really care about someone, then just the touch of the warmth, the warmth of your hand or
mm-hmm.
or the hug.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people don't do that.
Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. Going into the hospital, it's kind of a very sterile environment. It's a scary place, mm-hmm. especially if you have a terminal
really
illness, right?
Yeah.
If you're really sick, it's got to be.
Yeah.
And to have someone like yourself to come in and to really make that connection with somebody, wow, that's super powerful.
You transmit energy.
Mm.
I think it's almost like transmitting love.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can. Yeah. People know when you care about them.
Yes.
And I think that was the difference, because some nurses would have patients there, and sometimes they wanted you to come in there and just pray with them. Mm-hmm. I had this one nurse, one patient, wasn't one of my, because we usually follow the patient each night, If she was part of your team, you followed her, mm-hmm. because you manage her care, even though in the hospital. Because the nurses in the hospital there at Hopkins, you're trained, you are their spokesperson. Mm-hmm. And if someone was in pain, even with the morphine drips, you could come in there and do some of this touch healing, because that's what it was taught by nurses for people in the medical field. And you could help them relax, and they would be able to sleep.
Mm. So how long have you been doing healing touch for?
For 30 years.
For 30 years?
Yeah.
30
wow.
years of
30
healing
years
touch.
practitioner.
Yeah.
So if you want an experienced practitioner in the realm of healing touch, Pat would be a wonderful person
like,
to come
yeah, right?
see here.